Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Little Falls, school number 1, located in Little Falls, New Jersey. Beautiful day, got to speak to the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, the students and staff, all on the important message of positive life choices. And this particular sub-theme being your best self. So the huge part of this is that we focus on never giving up, whatever we are passionate about, whatever we're striving towards, a goal, however small it is, that we keep pushing, we keep persevering until we reach it. And even if we make mistakes, even if we fail or fall short, that we keep going, right? Because so many times when we're so close to succeeding is when we give up, and it's right before we finally hit that miracle and reach that moment where everything comes together, right? So the motivation behind the talk and the shirt that I wear for this program says, keep your head up, upside down on purpose. So if you look down or feel down, it's a reminder to always think positive, right? To know that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting. It's giving up. And if we know that so many famous people before us have failed just to finally succeed, you know, it gives us that inspiration that it's okay to sometimes make these mistakes. It doesn't make us a mistake, and we have to truly buy into that. And then also know that our greatest effort, it's not just pushing ourselves to reach that point, but it's now helping to push others. So we also talked about the need to really assist and support other people around us, especially, you know, if they're not as good as us at a certain sport or subject or whatever it is in life. You know, some of us are great at math or great at science or great at sports or great at social studies, geography, whatever it is, and that's amazing. But now the sign of a true leader is help someone else get up to your level too. And for the people that are hopefully getting supported and encouraged by other people, and all of us have different strengths and weaknesses, and that's okay if we're not up to that same speed as someone else, but really know people like even Albert Einstein, that was labeled a genius. He said, it's not that I'm so smart, it's just that I stay with problems longer, right? So the whole concept, the whole idea is that some of us, it's going to take a little bit longer to figure that one problem out, to get through a certain situation, and that's okay. And some of us are going to learn at different speeds, and some of us are going to learn in different ways, and that's all okay too. It doesn't make us any less of a person. We don't have to compare ourselves to someone else. We need to know and buy into our own worth, our own value, knowing that we are good enough just the way we are. And that ties into the other concept I always try to hammer home, the M on all of our palms with the lines of our hands. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we really truly have to buy into that and believe that, because it's the truth. And once we do understand that, now it's our job to go out and encourage other people, right? To lift them up higher than ourselves, be the light to their hearts, and just help them see that they are worth something. That if they have that negative and limiting belief that's holding them back, or something that's happened in the past where they failed before and all they keep thinking about is that we can hopefully be the person that believes in them to get past that moment and that low point, and now start to finally step into their full potential and who they're destined to be for this planet, which is a incredible human being that's full of unlimited potential and just destined for greatness. So again, thank you so much for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. I hope to see you again soon. As always, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the link that you'll see pop up here in the video, and hit the notification bell for future updates for videos like this one as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. And also make sure to check out my website to learn more information on my journey across this nation, as well as these awesome video clips that you'll see in the playlist here too. Much love, peace.